Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we have completed the fourth main problem, the exercise 13.1. But in the today's class, we are continuing the remaining problems in the exercise 1. Now, look at the fifth main problems. Express each of the following as product of powers of the prime numbers. Express the each of the following as product of powers of the prime numbers. Already you may learned in the lower sections what is the definition of the prime numbers. What is the definition of the prime numbers? Now, definition of the prime is nothing but the number which is divisible by itself. The number which is divisible by itself, then is said to be a prime number. Prime numbers. Example for the prime numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. By using the prime numbers, we are going to find the factors of the given problem. Factors of the given problem. Now, the first problem is 648. 648. Now we are going to using the prime numbers. We are going to find the factors of the given problem. Now we are taking the LCM of the 648. Now prime numbers, we can take the 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 4 ja 8. And again 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 8 ja 16, and 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2. Now, and 81 cannot be divided by 2. Now you are taking the 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 7 ja 21. Again you are taking the 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 648 they given the problem. By using the prime numbers, we are going to factors of the given problem. Now already we divided by the 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2. There remains 1. And 2 6 ja 12, and 2 2 ja 4, and 2 8 ja 16, and 2 1 ja 2. Now 81 cannot be divided by 2. Now you are taking the prime number is 3. Now 3 2 ja 6, and 3 7 ja 21, and 3 3 ja, and 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Now we are going to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now how many 2's are there? 1 2 3. How many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4. Now here 2 and 3. How many times 2 is written here? 2 times, 3 times 2 is written. What is the common terms here? 2 and 3 are the common terms. 2 and 3 are the common terms. Here how many times 2 is repeated? 1 2 3. 2 power 3. And here how many times 3 is repeated? 1 2 3 4. 3 power 4. The answer is 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. Now look at the problem once again. What they are doing the problem is express the each of the following as per product of the powers of the prime number. A product of the prime numbers. Already you may learn in the lower section what are the prime numbers. The number which is divisible itself is called as the prime numbers. 648 they are given. Already we took the LCM by using the prime numbers 2 and 3. Here 2 is how many times 2 is repeated? 2 is repeated the 3 times. And again how many times 3 is repeated here? 4 times 3 is repeated. 3 is repeated. Then we can write as 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. Now look at the second problem. 405. 405. By using the prime numbers, we are going to find the factors of the second problem. Now 405. Now 405 it cannot be divided by 2. Now we are taking as the 3. 3 1 ja 3, and 3 3 ja 9. 1 remains. 3 5 ja 15. And again 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. And 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 35. And 3 5 ja 15, and what last means is 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. Now write the numbers here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now here, how many times 3 is repeated? How many times 3 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 3 is 4 times repeated. Then we can write as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 into how many times 5 is repeated? 5 is repeated 1 times 5. What is the answer is 3 power 4 into 5 is the answer. These are factors are 4 and 5. By using the prime factors, already you are going to find the value. What is the answer? 3 power 4 into 5. Now look at the third one. 540. 540. By using the prime numbers, we are going to find the factors of the given third problem. Now 540. Now by using the 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14 and 0 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 5 ja. And now 135 is cannot be divided by the 2. Now we are taking the value 3. Number 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 40, 3 5 ja 15. Again 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. Again we are taking the number 3, 3 5 ja 15. Last term is 5 1 ja 5. Now we are taking the numbers here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now here common terms, look at the common terms. 2 and 3 are the common terms here. Now we can write as 2 into 3 into 5. Now here how many times 2 is repeated? 2 times 2 is repeated. Then we can write as 2 power 2. And here 3 into 3 into 3, how many times 3 is repeated? 3 times 3 is repeated. Then we can write as 3 power 3. Now 5 is only one term. Then we can write as only 5. You can take as 5 power 1. 5 power 1. 540. By using the prime numbers, already we are going to find the factors of the given number 540. Now look at the last problem. 3600. 3600. By using the prime factors, we are going to find the factors. Now 3600. Now we are taking the first number is 2 and 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 0 0 and 2 9 ja 18, 0 0 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 0 and 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Now 225 is cannot be divided by the 2. That's why we are taking the another prime number is 3. 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. Again you are taking the 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Again the number 25 is cannot be divided by the 3. Then number you are taking the prime factor number is 5. Now 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. Now we are writing the numbers here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now here how many times 2 is repeated? 1 2 3 4. That's why writing as the 2 power 4 into, and here how many times 3 is repeated? 3 into 2. How many times 3 repeated? 2 times is 3 is repeated. Now how many times 5 is repeated? 5 is repeated the 2 times. Now what is the answer of this? 3 power 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. By using the, they ask the question, by using the express the each of the following as product of the powers of the their prime numbers. In the today's class we have completed the 15 problems. Nearly we have completed the four problems. In the next class we will continue the remaining problems. Thank you.